Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 25th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the low of the day.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 run, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2, and I want to see how this price reacts to the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. What I believe is going to happen is we come down there, bounce up, and then fall through the 50 moving average, and we might get a $4 gain or more out of this run. So we're going to see what happens. Again, I want to see how this reacts to the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. At this point, we are going to see if this price comes back down to the 507.50 area, if not the $4 range, and we'll punch out roughly around $4 of gain. This is starting to slow down here, which means that it'll probably have to meet back up with the 21 moving average on the 1 minute chart, and that's a good write up, so I don't want to overstay my welcome. Like I said, if it comes back down and forms an H pattern, we might pull out roughly around $4. Now, I don't think it's going to be a reversal. It might close the gap, if not go a $5 run, but we're not going to stick around too long because, again, it's going to have to go back to the 21, and I don't know how long it's going to take to do that.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order filled.
And there's a $4 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.